How to delete draft posts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete draft posts on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on to the Instagram app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store and make sure that Instagram is up to date. If not, just click on update so that you will have the latest features on Instagram. Just head on and open Instagram right here. And what you need to do is to find this plus button right here. So you need to be at the home page or at your profile page. So I'm just going to do this in the home page and click on that plus button right here and click on post. On here, I am currently at the recents page, or where you can see all your photos from your camera roll. And this is where you can choose photos you want to post. So I'm just going to click on drafts right here. So if you have drafts, you should see this particular option beside recent. So just click on drafts. And after that, click on manage right here. And you can click on edit so that you can delete draft posts. So once you click on edit, you can select which draft post you want to delete, or also you can choose to select multiple drafts and delete everything all at once. So once you have selected all the drafts you want to delete, just click on done right here, and that will discard your draft posts on Instagram. Just click on discard posts once you have finalized your decision and you have successfully deleted your draft posts on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.